Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the design. You can, since I am not a designer per se, uh, but I'm going just to show you how to use the SMS test colors that we created. And so we are just going to do something simple here. Let's see, get something nice. What should we pick? Our cog tool, isn't that just perfect? Like this. We have 3 colors, so I'm going to be creating 3 cogs like this. And number 3. All right, perfect. And so you simply pick out the first graphic and you pick your color, you see, up here. This is our first SMS color. This is the red one, and let's make this one brown, like this. Remember, we are in sRGB format, and now we're going to just save this document. Save as. Yeah, we're in the right spot, so we are going to name this one as RGB master. Okay, remember the sRGB format is always your master when you're working with SMS colors, right? Okay, now we have saved it, so we are not going to lose anything. And you can, of course, create, as many pages as you like and whatever, if you're a designer, you know how to use Affinity, I'm sure. I'm just an amateur, but I know the color settings, and that's what I'm focused on. So now, let's say if I have finished my my job, and let's say if I want to export this as a PDF for any reason, let me export. And so the settings for SMS web, you can save a preset. That's very nice in Affinity, and here we use, as you can see, rasterize unsupported properties, and RGB is the color space. You embed the ICC profile, of course, as always. Convert image color spaces and honor spot colors, include hyperlinks and include bookmarks. You can skip this, or if you like, it's not important, I think. But we're going to use these settings, and this is, remember, this is just for, this is sRGB format for web, and we export the PDF. And we can just export it as sRGB master, that's fine, in PDF format, like this. Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to do is now we are going to start creating, let's say if we want to make a brochure, we want to print it on coated paper, and we are going to be using the FOCRA 39 ICC profile, which is the old ISO 12647 standard 2 for offset printing on coated white neutral paper. So in this case, we are going to create a new document, and let's say, okay, we're going to make it an A4. You go to check your settings up here, check your color, and as you can see, I have the ISO coated version 2, 300% ICC profile selected. You can, if you are an SMS user, you can order these ICC profiles from Spot Nordic at no cost. We'll send it to you. Just contact support@spotmatchingsystem.com, and we will provide you with exactly the correct ICC profiles for ISO coated, ISO uncoated, and etc. Okay, close, and we go down here for color. We are going to pick CMYK ISO coated version 2, and this is just as it should be. Okay, and now we go to our sRGB master. I'm gonna close it and open it again. Let me see. Open. sRGB master. All right. So what we are going to do is that we want to use our graphics, these graphics. Let's say that we created these graphics for printing according to FOGRA 39 on coated paper. And of course you can of course just write here next to it for FOGRA 39 coated paper, just so you know exactly what you wanted to do, you know, like this. Then you simply, we are now in the sRGB master. We let me just save it, and then we copy the graphics we want to use in CMYK format. Open. Let me see. I'm going to save this as FOGRA or F39 for short, like this. Okay. And I am, remember, I am in the CMYK document, you know. Let's double check to make sure. Yeah, that's it, that's it. And now we simply paste it. We paste the graphics from the sRGB master into the FOGRA 39 and save it. When you paste like this from sRGB to FOGRA 39, the conversion of the colors from RGB to CMYK using the absolute colorimetric rendering intent is, it happens when you paste. So this is the best way to make sure that your SMS colors are perfect. Now we have our, what we need, export as, and I have set up these SMS CMYK settings. As you can see, now we rasterize everything, and the color space is CMYK. We embed, we use the document profile and embed it, convert image color spaces, honor spot colors, overprint black. That's it. And you can include the printer marks if you like. And you export your PDF, and that's it. You're done. We're going to name it FOGRA 39 in this case. So now you have created a PDF for sRGB and a PDF for printing on coated paper according to FOGRA 39. And the LAB values and the CMYK values should be perfectly correct. Thank you so much for listening. Bye, guys.